I am at the 3D Gloop World Headquarters here with Andrew, and it's a very cool place, but not completely finished yet,
Not completely finished.
So,
we literally just moved in.
So we'll be back again someday when you got a little more of the showroom to show. But today I'm going to wrestle with a robot, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
And I get to drive this insane thing. So thank you for that.
Yeah.
I have to clear the table over there.
Yeah. So yeah, if you pull up here, you should be able to do it all in one fluid motion.
Yeah.
Without hitting anything.
Hopefully. Okay.
Now just rotate your joystick either direction. You might need to move forward a little bit, but yeah, you got it.
I don't want to kill you either. Why is there a head on the end of it?
Klaus, the forklift driver.
Lege hat eine Lösung gefunden, aber vorschriftsmäßig ist auch das nicht. Im Gegenteil.
Whoa.
Whoa. Dude, nothing is sending. I love it. Dude, I mean.
It's not perfectly safe.
Punch it! I feel like he's trying to like skid it.
I think that's exactly what he's doing.
Drift. It's very cool.
I'm getting behind solid objects. Okay, there you go. Senior citizen mode again.
Senior citizen mode.
Yeah, so here we have J.E.Ph.F. So J.E.Ph.F. is our industrial robot arm. First, let's explain his name. It stands for Just Enough Physical Force. He's a roughly 5,000 pound FANUC industrial robot arm. He was used for welding at a GM factory down, southern United States. We have him for testing our samples here at 3D Gloop of testing how strong our bonds are. So this particular sample, we have a PLA, a PETG, and an ABS print that have all been glued together using all of our dissimilar material bonding techniques. The game of tug of war that we play is basically testing how strong that bond is. J.E.Ph.F. has a custom PCB that we engineered to read the load cell value. So force is transmitted through our sample into the load cell, and then the load cell reads this value and it's sent over a CAN bus to a central computer where we can actually read the values that are being demonstrated on the test sample. So we play a game of tug of war where we are trying to figure out who can pull the strongest, the longest against the robot. So we're actually adding up the force over time. Over that period of time during the game, it's about 1 minute and 42 seconds. After which, then we apply that amount of energy in a cinematic energy event where we added all of that force up. And in the final pull that J.E.Ph. does during the tug of war to win the game, we, calculate the amount of energy that you guys would have actually generated or basically used up. And then that's how we rank people. The last show that we took this to, we had several teams reach, 500, even up to like 600 or 700 kilograms of force on the sample before it even broke. And what was cool was that it wasn't the Gloop that broke; it was the actual 3D print itself.
The layer lines.
Yeah. So hopefully here today we'll have J.E.Ph. battle J.E.Ph. and see who's the strongest. 3, 2, 1, pull.
These aren't the best shoes for this.
About 50 kilograms. 45, you're kind of getting a little less.
45, 50. Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad for a single.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I need more grip.
Yeah, I'm rooting for J.E.Ph.F.
J.E.Ph.F. is going to win this. I guarantee J.E.Ph. is going to win.
You got 1 minute and 10 seconds left. Do you think you can keep this up?
I'm going to break my back.
I mean, at least you're being consistent. You're still pulling about, anywhere from 40 to 50.
Yeah. How is a robot not even looking like it's doing anything?
You got 10 seconds left.
Oh, now I'm getting tired. All my muscles. All my muscles.
1. Nice.
Oh, my muscles started getting tired.
You are number 96.
96.
For Rocky Mountain.
That was actually pretty good for an individual effort.
Not bad.
Does this
All right.
matter if we're twisted?
No, it's all right. I'm going to
tired.
join you in the back here.
Okay.
You and I are going to do this.
Okay.
All right, guys.
What's the team name?
STL
Yeah,
Bros.
STL
Bros. 314 represent.
Oh,
Oh, I thought we were winning.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, did we break it? We broke it.
It doesn't play data anymore.
We broke it. It's yeah, we broke it. We broke the. Look at that. Look how it broke.
On the layer lines?
Yeah.
So where's the gloop?
So the gloop is here. Now, I mean, this was a part that had previously broke, and then we re-glued it.
How
So,
long has it been since?
I
you
mean,
did this part?
since Rocky Mountain.
All right.
So, yeah, yeah,
Win.
yeah. What was the peak was?
it's got a finish. Oh, Mark busted.
Yeah,
Mark busted.
437.
Busted. Sample
Sample
busted.
busted.
Now we got a whole thing for that.
We got a fanfare.
So 965 pounds.
68.4.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. Red Shirt Jeff weakened it.
Chaotic energy.
Yeah, so basically we had a material failure. It looks like some of the gloop might have failed. Now this sample was repaired previously at one of the previous shows. Yeah, basically you can see that the material literally just broke out of it and exploded. Now probably what happened is it started to fail here first, and then when that failed, it caused a peel motion from the look of it, and then it peeled apart the glue joint.
And would you say that Red Shirt Jeff was most of that?
Oh, probably, clearly. Well,
And,
thank you for coming out.
And if people, when you're finished with the video, where should people go if they want to get the best 3D printer glue?
Absolutely. So 3dgloop.com is our website and pretty much the best place to go.
And
So,
you guys are right in the St. Louis metro area.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
very close to me.
yeah,
Awesome.
we're not open yet, but here soon we'll have a spot open for the public. So when we post the address, you feel free, come on down and check out what we're doing here.
All
So
right. Thank you.
yeah, thank you. Yeah.